Good morning to all of you. This is Somshekar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Sarami Government Science College, Pamukkate, Bhadravati. In this session, we are going to discuss about the nature of some standard sequences. Let me take the first standard sequence n root n. Here this n root n converges to 1. Let me see how this happens. First of all, take this sequence as 1 plus h. N to the power of 1, n root n is n to the power of 1 by n. Now take power n on both sides. N gets cancelled. N is equal to 1 plus h to the power of n. Now n is equal to, by using binomial expansion, the expansion of this is 1 plus nh plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into h square plus etc. plus h to the power of n. Definitely n is greater than the second term. Now evaluate h value, because our sequence is in terms of h. If you know the limit value of h, definitely it is possible to know about the limit value of n to the power of 1 by n. That means the limit value of our sequence. That is why try to get the limit of h value. Now n gets cancelled. N minus 1 is greater than n minus 1 by 2 factorial into h square. Cross multiply these two terms. 2 factorial by n minus 1 is greater than h square. H square is less than 2 factorial by n minus 1. Now h is less than square square root आगुत्ते 2 factorial is 2 by n minus 1. Now take limit as n tends to infinity on both sides. The limit of this value is, as n tends to infinity, 2 by infinity, it will be 0. That means as n tends to infinity, h tends to 0. The limit of h value is 0. Since I know the limit of h value, it is easy to know about the limit of our sequence. Limit of n to the power of 1 by n as n tends to infinity is equal to limit as what as n tends to infinity means h tends to 0. N to the power of 1 by n is, this is our representation, 1 plus h. As h tends to 0, the limit of this value is 1. Since this sequence has unique finite value, by the definition of convergent, this sequence converges to 1. Let me take the second standard sequence, x to the power of 1 by n, where x is greater than 0. Here we discuss this sequence in 3 steps, in 3 cases. When x is equal to 1, x is less than 1, and x is greater than 1. Definitely these 3 cases covers all the real values of x for x greater than 0. Let me have the first case, when x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, definitely the limit of our sequence, x to the power of 1 by n, as n tends to infinity is equal to limit of, here x is 1 to the power of 1 by n. Now give the limit value, as n tends to infinity, 1 by infinity is 0, but 1 to the power of 0 is 1. Since this sequence has unique finite value, this sequence x to the power of 1 by n converges to 1. So when x is equal to 1, our sequence converges to 1. Now let me have the second case, when x is greater than 1. If x is greater than 1, take power 1 by n on both sides. X to the power of 1 by n is greater than 1 to the power of 1 by n, that means 1. Please observe here the base x is greater than 1. ಎರಡನೇ ಕೇಸು ನಾನು n ರೂಟ್ n ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಇದೆ. ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಡೂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್, ದ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರು, ಹಿಯರ್ n ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರು 1 ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ n ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಆಲ್ಸೋ. n ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಆದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಸ್ n ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಆದಾಗ n ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಬೈ n ಲಿಮಿಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಕೇಸೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸ್ n ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1. Instead of n value in the base, here we have the other representation x, that's all. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎರಡನೇ ಕೇಸು ಮೊದಲನೇ n ರೂಟ್ n ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಕೇಸ್ ಥರನೇ, n ಇರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ. ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ x ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಬೈ n as n tends to infinity is equal to 1. Since this sequence has a unique finite value and therefore this sequence converges to 1. Now let me see the third case. If x is less than 1. Now inverse both sides. 1 by x, when we take inverse, less than becomes greater than. 1 by x is greater than 1. Let me have this 1 by x as y. Take y is equal to 1 by x, and definitely y is greater than 1 by x is greater than 1. That means y is greater than 1. Now when y is greater than 1, when base is greater than 1, we already know the limit of this value. By second case, the limit of this type of sequence, y to the power of 1 by n, is 1. When base is greater than 1, and definitely base to the power of 1 by n has the limit value 1 by second case. Now limit of y to the power of 1 by n as n tends to infinity is equal to limit of, but y is 1 by x. 1 by x to the power of 1 by n, but 1 to the power of 1 by n is 1 divided by x to the power of 1 by n, which will be 1. Now just take the inverses. Now limit of x to the power of 1 by n is equal to 1 by 1, it will be 1. Now we have the limit value of our sequence. Since this sequence has unique finite value, this sequence converges to 1. And therefore in all the three cases, our sequence x to the power of 1 by n converges to 1. Similarly, other two standard sequences are there. Please go through this. Thank you one and all, and see you in the next session.